can't do it no more. This is not the way I want to go. He's trying to help me. It's not working. I don't like to be on my back. Help me. Please. I have to get to the grass. Please. I hold it and you pick me up. Please. Thank you. Can you take me to the grass? Please, rubber band. Please, Mr. Rubber Band. Don't throw me. I can't hold on much longer. Put me down, please. Put me down. Put me down. Okay. Okay, for now I'm okay. But I'm going to try. Oh no! Again! On me back, Mr. Rubber Band. Mr. Rubber Band, can you help me again? Please, one more time. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to the... Oh. Mr. Rubber Band, one more time, please. Please. Thank you. And thank you. And thank you. One more time, Mr. Rubber Band. I got it. Okay. Take me away, Mr. Rubber Band. Take me to heaven. This is my heaven halo. I'm almost an angel. Okay. Put me down. Okay. This time I'm not going to let go. I'm going to make it all the way. Oh no, this stupid rubber band. One more time. Once again. Okay, I did it! I did it!
You got wings!
I could fly! I could fly now! Wait! Put it down! Put it down on my feet, please! Okay. Okay. I want to fly. I want to try to fly. I'm going to... I don't like this. I don't like this no more. I'm done. I don't want to be here. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Goodbye, everybody. I like everybody. Yeah!
That is part 2. Final. Is he still here? He's dead. He's dead.
I made it through the grass.
Where is he?
I see you guys next time.
I love Lost Adventures.